Garlic is slightly fried. You add the onions.
Pandan leaves, and what was the other thing?
Curry leaves. Chili. You'll see everything. You'll see for everything we put curry leaves and pandan. Basically, pandan leaves gives a nice aroma, like a flavor to it.
It already smells good.
Then මොනවද? Oh, one handy මොනවා කරලා ගන්න. We had spoons for everything and they come missing.
It is
So it's kind of that, you know. So turmeric powder. I always put it the oil and get it to cook really well. And turmeric cook is really tasty. If it's not, it's very bitter.
unroasted curry powder.
You know the difference of curry powders? Yes. Unroasted and roasted.
Another malana kudu.
Be able to smell it. Sort of like another kind of. Oh, sorry. You smell it now, like the once turmeric and roasted curry powder kind of fries. You get a really nice fragrance. Really, I think. Chili. My mom forgot that.
Cookie butter stuff there.
First take our anithaka. So here goes the first. Sorry, for first take or second take? Ayyo. Or first take? So usually, if the jackfruit is not cooked, we would start with the second extract of the coconut. Because it's cooked already, we put the mixture in so that, you know, you don't need to cook it for too long. Maybe salt. In white curry, we add fenugreek seeds. Usually, it gives a nice taste to it. That's very good for you as well.
Any white curries?
White curries, coconut curries.
Oh, okay.
Not for fish curries or chicken curries. You don't really use them. The taste doesn't go well.
Okay.
But for white fish curries. I'm going to add the powder. So that it this is more of a dry curry, it's not really.
This is using, is it Kos?
Kos. We've already cooked kolos. It's more of it's like a meaty taste.